In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover your RBC Royal Bank username. Whether you've misplaced your username or simply can't remember it, don't worry, I'm here to help make the recovery process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the RBC Royal Bank sign-in page. You can do this through your web browser or by opening the RBC mobile app on your device. Once you're at the sign-in screen, you'll notice an option that says Recover Username or Forgot Username. Go ahead and select that option. This step is key as it initiates the recovery process. After selecting the option to recover your username, you'll be prompted to follow a series of on-screen instructions designed to verify your identity. This is an important security measure to ensure that your account remains protected. During this process, you may need to enter details like your client card number or other personal information. Additionally, RBC might send a verification code to your phone or email. Be sure to have access to these so you can complete the verification step smoothly. Once your identity has been confirmed through these steps, RBC will assist you in recovering your username. The instructions on the screen will guide you through the final stages of this process, ensuring you have the information you need to get back into your account. After you've recovered your username, you can go ahead and sign in to your RBC Royal Bank online banking account using the details you've just retrieved. It's as simple as that. And that's how to recover an RBC Royal Bank username. Knowing how to easily retrieve your username is incredibly useful, especially when you need quick access to your bank accounts and other financial services. Remember, keeping your login information secure and accessible is crucial for maintaining the safety of your personal banking details. Thank you for joining me on this quick guide. I hope you found the steps clear and easy to follow. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to RBC's customer support for more personalized help. Stay safe and happy banking.